Shivaratri to everyone. On the occasion of Shivaratri, PM Sri Narendra Modi is offering Abhishekam to Lord Shiva. So let us see it. So now on the occasion of Shivaratri, let us listen to a Shiva song.
Praying God is a good habit, simply at present and every day. I pray God, we all pray God. You pray God, you both pray God. He prays God, she prays God. It prays God, they all pray God. Praying God was a good habit, simply in the past. Also, I prayed God, we prayed God. You prayed God, you both prayed God. He prayed God, she prayed God. It prayed God, they all prayed God. Praying God will always be a good habit, simply in the future. Also, I pray God, we all will pray God. You will pray God, you both will pray God. He will pray God, she will pray God. It will pray God, they all will pray God.
So let us learn English using this song. So let's learn English through songs. So already the first 2 episodes are uploaded, so please check it. I'll give the links in description. So according to this song, the 99% of the song is covered by the persons and verb forms. So let us see what are those. So I have explained them clearly in the first episode, so check it for more explanation. Persons are basically divided into 3 groups. First person, second person and third person. They are again divided into 2 types, singular and plural. So first person singular is I, first person plural is we, second person singular and plural both are you. Third person singular is he or she or it, and third person plural is they. Now let us see what are verb forms. So there are 5 verb forms total. So the basic word which we use is known as base word. So V1, so the verb which we are using today is pray. So V1 will be pray. V2 is prayed. V3 is prayed. V4 is praying. V5 is praise. So V5 is basically adding S to the V1. And it is used in third person in simple present tense. So now for knowing about one tense, let us listen to the first stanza of the song.
Praying God is a good habit, simply at present and every day. I pray God, we all pray God. You pray God, you both pray God. He prays God, she prays God. It prays God, they all pray God. Pray.
So this stanza is completely in simple present tense. So the uses are also said in the previous videos, so please watch it. So how to form a sentence in simple present tense. So before that, let us see the use of simple present tense. So it is used to talk about the regular works which we do. So how to form a sentence in this tense is person plus V1 of the verb. What is the verb which we are using here? It's pray. So person plus V1 plus object. So in this song it is person plus pray plus God. So I pray God, we all pray God, you pray God, you both pray God, he prays God, she prays God, it prays God, and they all pray God. So the thing which you have to remember here is the third person singular. We will be adding V5, which is adding S to the V1. That is, he prays, she prays, it prays. Now let us listen to the second stanza of the song.
Praying God was a good habit, simply in the past. Also, God.
So this stanza of the song is completely in simple past tense. And what does this tense talk about? This tense talks about the completed actions. So how to form a sentence in simple past tense? It is person plus V2 of the verb and object. So how to form a sentence using this verb and this object is person plus V2, which is prayed, plus object, which is God. So I prayed God, we all prayed God, you prayed God, you both prayed God, he prayed God, she prayed God, it prayed God, and they all prayed God. Now let us listen to the third stanza of the song.
Praying God will always be a good habit, simply in the future also. I'll pray God, we all will pray God, you will pray God, you both will pray God, he will pray God, she will pray God, it will pray God, they all will pray God.
This stanza is completely dedicated to simple future tense, and this tense talks about the actions that will be happening in future. So how to form a sentence in simple future tense? It is person plus will plus V1 plus the object. So how to form a sentence in this song is person plus will. What is the V1 of pray? It's pray itself. So person plus will plus pray plus God. So I will pray God, we all will pray God, you will pray God, you will pray God, he will pray God, she will pray God, it will pray God, and they all will pray God. So now let us summarize it. So in the simple present tense, we have to form a sentence using person plus V1 plus God. So person plus pray plus God. And remember, there is an exception for third person singular only in simple present tense. That is, we will be adding S to the V1. So indirectly it is the V5. So third person plus praise plus God. So third person plus V5 plus God. And the simple past tense is person plus V2 plus God. What is the V2 of pray? It is prayed. So person plus prayed plus God. And for simple future tense, it will be person plus will plus V1 plus God. So it is person plus will plus pray plus God. So please watch the other 2 episodes of this series, and don't forget the series name is Let's Learn English Through Songs. Watch Scribbler songs. What does it mean by watch Scribbler songs? It is watch, recite, you have to recite these songs, you have to repeat them again and again, and you have to replace the verb and object. So don't forget to watch the other 2 episodes and also watch Scribbler songs. So please like, share and subscribe. If I have any mistakes in this video, please comment. I will surely read them. Thank you.